Morning in the mountain village. As the mist thins, a hidden shape slowly appears. 4 centuries ago, a castle stood here. Today, only quiet stones remain, still holding the memory of time. Climbing to the top, you reach the old main keep. The view is clear and refreshing. Deep mountains stretch in the distance and in front. A village with terraced fields spreads out. A sense of nostalgia fills the heart. The walls are a natural puzzle of large and small stones, designed to drain rainwater in this wet region. Spring brings blossoms. Summer wraps the hills in green. Winter lays down pure snow. Centuries have passed, yet standing here, you can feel more than 400 years of history.
The Return to Kumano.